How to fix Snapchat notification sound not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open settings on your iPhone. Here we go. Now tap on notifications here. Okay, now scroll down below and search for Snapchat. Here we go. Now make sure that the toggle for sounds is turned on. Now over here at the bottom you can see Snapchat notification settings. Now we have to tap on it, this one, okay? Now make sure that the toggle for all the options is turned on. Okay, now let's go back again and open your settings again. Okay, now tap on sounds and haptics right here. Now tap on text tone. Now over here you can set your text tone according to your choice, but make sure that this is also turned on to some of the options. Now again here in settings, just tap on general, go to iPhone storage. Now wait for it. Scroll down and tap on Snapchat. Now what you have to do is you have to offload your Snapchat app, wait for a while and then again reinstall it after some time. Now if you have Assistive Touch turned on, what you can do is just tap on it. Tap on device here. Tap on more. Okay, just tap on it. Now over here you can see the option of restart. You can also restart your phone. Now if you go back again, just tap on unmute here. Now you can see that the silent mode is turned off and turn on your volume to the full and see if your problem has been fixed or not. So this was it for today, and by following all these steps, you will definitely be able to fix your problem. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.